This morning, we're taking a look at a bill at the Rhode Island State House that would allow sensory stylists.
So what is this? The bill would essentially let mobile hairstylists go into people's homes so people don't have to go out of their homes into them. They would then be able to give those cuts to those who are homebound and those who also have disabilities. Sensory stylists are currently not legal in the Ocean State.
Some people, it's easier. They can just jump right in the car and just go into a salon. But some people have issues. And I kept hearing more and more cases that people are having difficulties getting hair care.
You walk into a salon and the sounds of a hairdresser, the sounds of a hairdryer, you'll smell the chemicals. And then you put on a cape. All of those things play into our sensory role. So having all that and expecting someone to understand it that really doesn't, it's a meltdown.
The bill was held for further study, so we will see where it goes.